Mimi's laughing. Mimi's laughing at you.
It's time to start our practice. Once upon a time, far away. Wow, beavers really she looks like but a snow prince been alive one time, and the snow princess is very, very
Pretty purple. Now, look there. Look there. Say, hi. Hi. Say, mwah. Mwah. We're learning. Oh, you got that down pat, don't you? What? Are you a little bit ticklish? Oh, she's such a sweet little baby. Get it. What? Look at the baby. Who's that pretty baby? Baby. Say mom. Mom. Yeah. Mom. Good girl. Mom. Now you're gonna say Mimi. Say me. Jasmine's getting sleepy. Say me. Yay! Good girl. Good girl, sweet pea. Who's that baby on there? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Get you. I'm gonna get you. Is that Jasmine? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, say bye-bye. Go CP time? What? Me. Oh, mom, okay. Mama. Not Mimi, huh? Really? Are you serious? Bye-bye. There we go. Good girl. Now we're gonna go. that baby? Look at the baby right there. What's that? Is it Jasmine? Yay! What? There's Rui. Is that Rui? There's Rui. Yay! Dance! Yay! Yay! Again? All right, yeah. Shake it, baby. Shake it, baby. You see that baby? Look at her frown. That's Jasmine right there. Say hi. Hi. Yay, good girl. What? Yay. Yay! Say burp. Yay, dance. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yay! Say bye-bye. Yay! Say bye-bye. Oh, you're gonna blow kisses? Oh, there we go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say mwah.
Come on, guys. Let's look for real monsters somewhere else.
Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. We're trying to get you're silly. You messed your hair up. Are you getting agitated? You're a goose. Oh, you just banged your head. What?
Shimmer, what's all the hooting and hollering about? Dragon? Spinner? What happened to you?
We kinda got some pine sap stuck on us.
Rubbish stuff too. Well, it's certainly nice to see you two get along so well.
Like you said, a band needs to stick together.
Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye. You stop it. You stop it. All right. Oh, She loves the Fresh Beat Band. What is it? Marina. Yay.
The Fresh Box. Okay, Fresh Beats, I'm ready to record your music. 1, 2, 3, 4. That sounded great, guys. That music is from Melody's new smoothie track. Yep. Hopefully everybody hears it. We're more smoothie for your trip.
But we still need to write the lyrics. Those are the words of the song. Yeah, this is popular.
No.
Brush my teeth. Need a jelly sandwich. Brush my teeth again. Formal. And we're going to try to maybe change that a little bit here with a little rain before.
Rocking with the Fresh Beat Band encourages kids to make music and express themselves through dance and movement, all while jamming to the freshest beats.
Are you singing? Say uh-oh. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yay. Uh-oh. Say uh-oh. You're a silly goose, aren't you? Uh-oh. I don't want you. 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 What in the world? You sounded like a pterodactyl. Uh-oh, uh-oh, that's not a very friendly face. Come on, say uh-oh. Hey. 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 You're a goose. You're pretty, aren't you? Are you pretty? Are you pretty? You're a pretty goose. Hey! Hey! Ladies are not supposed to be that loud. Oh, baby. I don't want you. I don't want you. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Or bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Boy, the back of your hair is messed up again, sister. Excuse me. Say excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I said excuse me. Oh. Peekaboo. 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 You do it. Uh-oh. Peekaboo. Look at you standing without hands, sister. When are you going to start walking? Wow. When are you going to start? Oh. What? Uh-oh. You say uh-oh. I don't want you. Yo. Oh, it's kitty, 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 kitty. Don't bite yourself, Jasmine. That's not very good. That is silly. You're a goose. Are you a goose? You can throw it out if you want. Uh-oh. Thank you. 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 Oh. Uh-oh. I love that you started saying that. Where'd it go? Amy doesn't see it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh. What? Huh? Where'd it go? Uh-oh. What? Uh-oh. Mimi dropped it, didn't she? We can't see you over there. You see the pillows? That's where Mimi dropped the pillows. What? You don't have it turned around right, sister. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Excuse me. Uh-oh. I know. She sees it over there on the floor where Mimi dropped it. I'll get it. Jasmine, where's Penny? Where's Penny? Your cup's making a noise, isn't it? It was hissing at you, wasn't it? She's like, get it away from me. Mimi's giggle doesn't want to come out, does it? Say, bless you. Did you spill it? It's not spilling, is it? Alright, hold on here. Let me see if it's spilling. Alrighty, good as new. It didn't spill, did it? Uh-oh. I know. Mimi dropped it. I should have got it when I was up, shouldn't I? Uh-oh, I know. Yay! Dance! Yay! Yay! Fresh beans. Sing. Yeah. See, we love the Fresh Beat Band. Oh! Uh-oh! Say, peekaboo! 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 Hi! Say, I love you.
Hi.
Peekaboo!
Are you recording right now?
Yeah. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo. You're a little monkey butt, aren't you? Oh! You fell down. What?
Doesn't matter which tailback's in the game, that is a crease that anybody can get through. Florida State, this is danger for NC State.
Are you going to say it? Are you going to dance? What? Me. You can have the camera. Me. My mom, she's not here. She's not here yet. Yay! Good job. Good job. You're brave, aren't you? What? What? Say, me. What are you doing? You dancing? What? La 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 la. You and your pretty little sundress. Penny's trying to figure out how to get up here. Oh, you almost fell. Good girl. What? You talking to Roy? Is it Roy? Is that Roy? There's Roy. Say me. Say me. Oops, I didn't mean to zoom in. Aw, tired baby. What you doing down there? Huh? Were your little leggies getting tired? Oh, pretty dress. Is it good? Is that the right? No. Don't put that end in your mouth. There you go. Is it good? I don't want any. You eat it. It's for you. You eat it. Yeah. Mmm. Is it good? Listen to her. Yeah. It's a candy. It's a candy. Yay. You eat it. Oops. You are going to be a... Mmm. Which end is that? No, Jasmine. There you go. Good girl. Mmm. Is it good? No. I'm going to take it away from you. You heard me. You eat the candy side, and that's it. Good girl. Don't gag yourself, though. Does Andy have one, too? Put it in your mouth. You eat it. I don't want it, baby girl.
$1 million for that. Get a 3-point shot right here. It's good. $1 million.
And it was bad. Yummy. Yum. You eat it. You eat it.
There's a 3-point shot. Yeah.
Is it good? I love how she smacks her lips. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. Mmm.
Is just beating Duke to the ball.
Yay. I know you're sticky. Are you sticky? Yeah.
Backdoor close for Suleiman. Wildcats
Is it good?
on the run. Duke gets back.
Now back to Jasmine.
The run. Duke gets back.
You're dribbling everywhere.
Ball on Suleiman.
Yuck.
Here we go.
Second chance points for Davidson. McMahon, the transfer from Iowa State. Tony gets the ball.
You're having a hard time, huh?
The extra pass.
No. No. Jasmine? No. Hey. I'm going to take it away from you.
Excuse me, Maestro.
Now, you don't put that end in your mouth. Do you want it? All right. Now you eat it right. Good girl. Yeah, that's right. That's a good girl. Ah. Oh, okay. Thank you. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, she's like, I know you didn't. Yum, yum, yum. There we go. It's Jasmine's. You eat it. Are you gonna draw? Are you done? Are you done? Okay, well then, do you want it? All right. Thanks. Yum, 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 yum. Your fingers taste good now? Are you blowing your nose? Blow your nose. Here, thank you. Oh, you need to do it again? Yeah, good girl. All right. Yeah. What? Did you blow your nose? Did you? Here. Go ahead, blow your nose. You need to blow your nose. Yeah. Are you done? Are you done? Oh, you wanted it again? Okay. Ugh. Did you get it? Does it feel better? Yeah, is it better? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, thank you. What, you want a bite? Do you want a bite of yogurt? No. Want to drink a milk? No? Well, then what do you want? There's nothing else up there for you. Oh, my. What? You want a bite? No. Want a drink? No. Okay, well, I don't know what you want then. You can't have my mouse. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Y'all done? All right. Yay. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. No? I don't know what you want, Jasmine. There's nothing up here. What? No, you cannot have that. No, that is Mimi's. Do you want this? I have to do it though. You can't do it. No. All right, you want the Fresh Beat Band? I bet that's what she was wanting. Wanted me to put the remote. Wait a minute, is Andy here? Goodness. Who is it? Who is that?
Jasmine.
I'm recording her. It was funny when I told her Andy was home.
Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going now? There's nothing down there.
Bye. Say bye.
You need to back up.
She will.
Well,
She went clear around through the sunroom. Couldn't figure out how to get back in here.
you know what you're doing.
I'm backing it up.
Okay. That's good. That's good enough. Go see Jamie. I have to go to the bathroom.
I'm Mimi. Oh.
That's nice.
See, I'll run over your toes.
Don't touch my knees.
Jasmine, tell Andy Santa came. You're gonna open all your presents later.